For me, Mamma Quaba Shonko, ever too much GH. And Koma enam and Famamudi, and here a wire my gun muno, and no enamusum for Nana Ama Usa, me de Estomoda, and da, and we feed can say is to too much GH. A bush for and some abano, a more Remaka Sankasa, and Sam can say eba, and then before I can say me says, as Sam can say eba. Franca and Siso. Now, Ejina, a honorable Kennedy Japan, the Sisho this week edition. Now, it was for Sanamu channel, so to say, and some na everybody no Ejina, Nipa Bakope, and so a prophet Nigel Gaisie, our da prophetic hill chapel. Now, was off away and yeah, and net and waba, my God, the moon, while Jenny Dean Pa, your band of prophecies be where he be pa or no, and I yet a fear HM or prophesy, say a year NDC4. One baby ni power just say a prophecy no entimi ambem. One moon so no prophesy say ebony wobewu a fear will prophesy and na fear to aso ebony etimi film ye I just say rehosem kese edema Ghana. Na sa prophecy we ni ameka ho kani. Honorable Kennedy Japan and then the guest the street show abe church mu se na ba ya prophecies we nya eba etutu mu say from almost allegations omode atuja na che say Prophet Nigel Gaisie and Wafa Kweti Kwan to pan and what they generated our prophecies no na to ensure say ebebe muso no wo ye nyama bebre so ewo esuma se e na ema no etimi ebe mu se na wo kan pepepe na wo mo keka akoso no wo mu kire mu se Prophet Nigel Gaisie wo hoi wo your ba na wo ba na sorry na wo ho ye na kono enko ade a mame papa wo de wo be fa ne se ase Wawari pounds were 12 in the year and chain at the abetna so then said that we betting on the wine. There's a freedom of living. Not just a Bia or Philipia or on mouth and up for a year, a point sorry meeting office near the Waffage or not to say, yeah, the wire dear pep. Now and summer about out against him no assassin na a year NDC4 reporters be our more power FM or Hiniba ma any abium so. Manase me sorry facha me Mugabe Masi and a woman ebe yi another man ka say honorable Kennedy Japan de akeka ye ne de omo ya no correct etire mu ne fari by the ye Paul be ye nipa je say wo je say wa bobra nya no wo mu kire mu etire Ghana for esan ye ensema okoka fa ye prophet Nigel Gaisie hum na wo mu ka kosi nya no wo sa hye ye prophet Nigel Gaisie den say mama enu enfri ye honorable Kennedy Japan ene ne nsem no wa ye dream and go for so etechire eyin say won be san nyame edwuma e wo Ghana ha na wo hwe se na first edition no kwa ni reply e buy wo kira utum say na ensem de nim say nka beti akoda se na mo be reply honorable Kennedy Japan nka wonka eye Nigel Gaisie ho asem dem ade chenye na osabet na the seat show so utum say asem na wo sha se na no an wo ha bo so biem esa the deep revelation e invite won anka sa ne suffocate as se ade de won ni eni ho biem eye suffocate Kakra Asian. One also summer walk out to Musa, one so be Benyama can say any so at their check Ghana form. Now, way any their Ekakawa aircraft soon at a then Afro a year prophet Nigel Gaisie who say a bread ashon, and where they want your future, on tier will be a Omaka one kind of tune, and go for Abon and also some money and free one in Japan, or no a pike and walk on home, no dear good in massive money fin, but where dear want nothing and red and will be fancy kind engine anchor until Nakasamu Abba pointing. Nebusa for now bontia. Buy a deal to say any bresto and buy yes, war on Kakake with the new bresto no car. No about Bontino Wabeka Saji Jano to say, I chanaji academy agent so at their chair honorable Japan Sepeya, baby or tear what tear what they casacasa, a year 10 years won't fat who is fake and who is not fake. No one that out as a one you come crowd or cry, one can tune. Now, because some not says, shut up. Shut up, no be a noa, or man of pine to bet me aka a year as soft asem. Ne bium so no so cry and yet on your crampa, or your mini partner, Kupa Casan at two side a different or no Casadin is at 2 almost to say, 1 million Juma. Now, and son and Numpon can no longer some nipa or money patavia, and the send I tea will be ultimate tenants, ask me a tea or software, or better, on the radio will be added in Saakano, and it's one of Japan Mesha. One can no cramp no sophobia ewom reyo. Never suffer yanko head tonight Nigel Gaisie so ever reply honorable Kennedy Agyapong.
Ghanaians are jealous. Some Ghanaians are jealous. More Ghanaians are jealous. If you don't understand something, shut up and let's do the work of God. Do you know what it takes to do the work of God? And you'll be sitting down there saying all rubbish. Do you know what it takes to be a prophet? Or you think we take delight in there? If this thing wasn't a call, personally I would have stopped doing this work. Personally, if this thing wasn't a call that God called me at the age of 30 13, 14, I would have stopped this work. But some people are not up to the level where God has placed you. They will say all sort of things about men of God. Shut up if you don't understand it. You think we take the light as young as I am? I take the every day I'm preaching. Every blessed day. From January to now, not a day that I've not preached. Not a week that I've not preached. You think I take the light? And after preaching we deliver? You think it's easy? So I deal with baby, I'm at my level where God has, how merciful God has been to me. What again do I want? You sit down there and insult us. And you are there, say, look at me and look at me. I'm Prophet Nigel Gaisie. We stand for the word of God. And we stand for the true prophetism of God. May God forbid that I'll use the name of God in vain. May God forbid I'll say what the Lord has said I've not said. May God forbid. Shut up and let's do the work of God. Shut up. Shut up. Nyama papa yesu din so. Nyama papa ni din so. People are losing confidence in the prophetic because of people like you. You bastardize anything which is of the Spirit of God. Then what I found so. What that part in ketre po no. Half na po no. You can't understand it. Yepa ye san kompo yentini na ase. Yepa ye san kom yentini na ase. You come in and oh, wait there, or you're fake. What is the indicators of fake? Bible says by their fruits you shall know them. So examine the person by his fruits. Examine, prophet, wait there, or young basemo, or hen obey basso. Upo pro ni double some. Upo one pram you know me and son. San ya what's your son so yet here. San yet and Karadim may dean and fire do the deal do our mamma. Shut up and let's do the work of God. Shut up! Let's do the work of God. Shut up! And none of me to man castle. That demon in you must be brought low. Shut up and let's do the work of God. Shut up! Shut up! And let's do the work of God. Now, brothers, you so. We are coming in and Juma. We Ghana for Kasa. Sankasa said, Bibia your uncle, Bibia your uncle. When you're Jimmy for Bible said, if it's a question, or you're not able to be also a Jimmy for. Admit, we can make mistakes. Maybe a deal for Anne, but me a nipper. Nipa buying woman makes me a mistake. But that has not means a papa non frame here. That has not means a papa non signing so. Me no kusophobia or will bet me a mistake. To say send your ocean, your sister out to me a mistake. Brother out to me a mistake. But now swing in them, Yenim Christo, Nemumo, and not don't ekasama, a vampire cabai. All kinds of correct chapter. The Bible said, no, or deal for paying equinian. None why if you know I have mistake. Or doing a man was said that may have mistake, no, because I am Majuma. So for say so and yet, bow your say yet. So for two kind yet, bow your muya come namukasado. A man is slow, a deal for one, Namin Sunny slow man, muya come no man gun and cosso. Muya come, small girls with their son and moon, Mama credit is slow. Friend looking, so for be other kind of awesome. So for be the first obey me at slow, and yet obey your shoes with muscle. Tell me, so one Casapua, I didn't done so bad a fight so. Mamibia when so who be an or dick Christo one dance here solo. Or be or boy yes to Christo D or dick Christo one dance here solo. The all can want somebody so one Casapua, I didn't done so a bit fight so. I'm fight to and I bet fight to that. Only I'm moving the moon to me one. Only I'm moving the moon to me now one. Only I'm moving the moon to me two can. Only I'm moving the moon some slab the ain't me pino. Because more can't suffer from oneself. But I want to know what near my son and go my friend, my bono, over can the answer say Fatafano.
Agyapong. Ebusia for sedan peli for e kan no say ensuo etina poncheni a waje wo no waje wo wenyaje wo asem na funu no abro no so waje wo ama asem na si otim se bufo so pa e na ye prophet Nigel Gaisie wode aba wode reply esa attack honorable Kennedy Agyapong na we dey enye se yehu bi da pa se asofo ye ka mo asem e wo ye the seat show a mo ba bontin abeyi ano no mo ni aso mo yi ano no kwa no ehun se na o mewe ye ekoye na me nko akire krampo no. Perfect example Bishop Daniel Obinim ono ba abonti be yi ano otum so ono ka the tree po no na waka unse tree there ye de ka wase me ya e na honorable Kennedy Agyapong edi yi na no pepe say o destroy na say ada yetum say honorable Kennedy Agyapong wa finish Bishop Daniel Obinim na say si aso a prophet Nigel Gaisie so the bro focus abebeyi eye honorable kene Agyapong se ba ko ye se enye ye busuafo yete ha ye hwebi de bo mu bia so no ye de besom e wo too much fidie kete so na wo tie de profika se wo tu se ni buafu so obro ni ka se de eda ne ketre ba so to waka na ebufom kro waka ene shut up ati ase waka wie na busuafo de be wie bia no ye de beto ja e wo anti subscribe se won subscribe by clicking on the red button na bia no so e ma won refi se obetimi follow too much e wo Instagram @tumaGH_. Bia so share video e ma adofo ebu bia obe on bia no so ehun de e koso mi din na ama owusa aha e na me di besi na me adoma ye besan edin hyemu biem.